You can also apply to other exposed parts. Enormous benefits for skin. It fights uneven skin tone. This will easily come for 5 days for our 5-day challenge. Hi friends, you get up in the morning and look at the mirror. You notice a brighter and fairer skin every day. If that is what you are looking for, we have excellent natural remedy. Everyone loves to have skin brightening. Of course, not everyone, but many people dream to have a flawless glowing skin. You might have tried several treatments, creams, lotions and other stuff, but most of these contain harmful chemicals, steroids, bleaches, which may damage your skin in the long run. In this video, we will look at one Ayurvedic remedy that grants you flawless glowing fair skin naturally. You will see results in 5 days. It is a 5-day challenge. First, we need licorice powder. Licorice is also called as athimadhuram, Mulethi and Yasthimadu. Studies proved that the compounds in licorice inhibit the tyrosinase enzyme. This slows down the production of melanin, so over the time, your skin becomes lighter and brighter. Not only that, licorice is widely used from centuries in Ayurvedic formulations for skin to treat several skin conditions. Take a small ceramic glass or steel jar. Add 3 tablespoons of licorice powder. Now we need sandalwood powder. Sandalwood or chandan is expensive powder that is used in high-end Ayurvedic formulations. It has a nice fragrance and enormous benefits for skin. It fights uneven skin tone, treats acne and eczema, prevents pigmentation and naturally brightens the skin. Sandalwood is very important in this recipe. To this bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder. Next we need gram flour, also called as besan powder. Gram flour is the most common beauty remedy in India. It is in fact a powerful tan remover and has wonderful cleansing properties. Traditionally, gram flour is used for bathing and as face wash in India. It lightens, brightens and removes dark spots on the skin. Toss in 4 tablespoons of gram flour. Well, this jar is not big enough to mix all the ingredients, so I am temporarily transferring the contents to a bigger ceramic bowl. Now mix all these ingredients thoroughly. Now I am transferring the contents back to the glass jar so I can close it and store it. Now we have made an instant face pack powder. This will easily come for 5 days for our 5-day challenge. However, this powder has 2 months of shelf life. Now let us see the steps carefully. This is a 3-step process. Number 1, cleanser. Use a mild cleanser based on your skin type to wash your face. If you have oily skin, better to use oil-free cleanser. I am using Equate foaming cleanser. After you are done with the cleansing, wipe your face with a towel and pat it dry. Step 2. Let us apply the face pack that we made. Take a required amount of powder to cover your entire face and neck. You can add more or less powder depending upon how much you need. To this, add some milk. Milk is good if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, instead of milk, use plain water. Mix everything. Add enough milk to make it a smooth paste. With the help of fingers or a makeup brush like this, spread this mix all over the face and neck. You can also apply to other exposed parts like hands, elbows, etc. Leave it like that for 15 minutes and let it dry. Now wash away with fresh water. Step 3. Moisturizer. We will use moisturizer. Moisturization is very important to prevent drying of skin. If you have dry skin, use moisturizers like shea butter, olive oil or other cream-based moisturizers. If you have oily skin, don't use oil or cream-based moisturizers. You have to use water-based moisturizers like aloe vera gel or vitamin C gel. I am using this retinol moisturizer. So 3 steps. Step 1 is cleansing, step 2 is face pack and step 3 is moisturization. Do these 3 steps every day for 5 days. You will notice visible skin brightening. Better to do this in the evening or before going to bed so you don't go out in the pollution again. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.